Introducing the QAQVQ Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner, your ultimate solution for a pristine pool, effortlessly maintained. Designed for exceptional cleaning power, this state-of-the-art pool cleaner ensures your pool is always ready for a refreshing dip. With automatic programming, the QAQQVQ Pool Cleaner navigates your pool with precision, effectively suctioning dirt and debris. The advanced filter bag captures even the finest particles, ensuring crystal clear water every time. Thanks to its powerful suction and smart design, it effortlessly cleans not just the pool floor but also the walls, leaving no spot untouched. Lightweight and waterproof, the QAQQVQ Pool Cleaner is easy to handle and built to withstand tough pool conditions. No assembly required. Just place it in the pool and it's ready to go. Simple and convenient. Keep your pool sparkling clean with the QAQQVQ Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Enjoy more swim time and less maintenance.